Hey friends, so a few people were a little bit confused on how to put the towel rack back onto the wall. So what you're going to need is, generally it's just a really small flathead screwdriver, or it's an Allen key, and you can see that on the bottom of the thing here. So this one is the flathead. Most of these old ones are that, and some have Allen keys for the newer ones. Anyways, so to attach this, what you guys want to do, it's going to be sneaky. It's going to be hard with one hand. All right, so I'm going to have to assist with this. So you just set it right on top. Both sides go on top like that. Okay, and I'll show you why. Right under there's a hook. So you see that hook there right here. This hook part right here hooks down onto the top of that. So then we push this onto it like that. That hook part goes on there, and same with that over there. Just hooks on top. So that hook part on there goes down on there. And then you just take your key, just kind of put some pressure on the front of this so it stays flat, and then you put your, not your key, but your screwdriver, and you just tighten that down. Okay, that's just going to snug that right up onto the wall. And same thing with this one. Just like that, nothing to it. If this is too far apart, it's rattling a little bit, so you just make sure it's a little bit snug enough. The tighter you do it, the more secure it's going to be. So there you go, my friends. It's not moving anywhere. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day, everybody.